Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch was launched late in 2017 for the 2018 model year. It is the IWC 327006, the Pilot's Watch Mark 18 Heritage. It takes after 2016's BR-inspired 48 and 55 millimeter Big Pilot's Watch Heritage editions. This one much more wearable in matte titanium at 40 millimeters in diameter, 10.9 millimeters thick, 51 millimeters lug-to-lug with a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. This takes after the Mark series dating back to the 1940s Mark 11 rather than the 1940 Luftwaffe BR that inspired the Big Pilot's watches. But it has a vintage look that is more similar to the BR perhaps than the original Mark series watches. So it's an interesting hybrid of IWC history. It is broad across the wrist. 51 millimeters is pretty large as a lug-to-lug span for a 40 millimeter watch, but it's also very thin and it will easily fit under a cuff. I could recommend this watch for a wrist my size or larger, let's say 16 centimeters and up. Now you might wonder, being entirely titanium with a pin buckle and equipped with a strap, what is the weight of this? And as you can see, it is very minimal. 58.77 grams if we subtract the tag. The watch features a substantially cut strap, and you can see here that the Fotina Ecru coloration is continued into the contrasting stitch. Aviator style, thick cut calfskin leather with a contrasting stitch. You can see dark brown, but not the darkest of browns. It won't be mistaken for black, for example. Very thick cut leather, sheer cut and profile with lacquering for refinement. You can see on the bottom, IWC factory strap, brand new. And that we have a simple matching media blasted IWC pin buckle with some faceting and profile, a little bit of beveling. And then on the bottom, you can see it is indeed titanium and it's made by Brogioli in Switzerland. Taking a look at the case, you can see it's very similar to the Mark series. Although to be perfectly fair, it shares a general profile with the Big Pilot's watches. There's an air de famille among IWC Pilot pieces. It is all media blast, which is a great look, very subdued. And if you get exceedingly close, you can even see it's a monoblock case. There's no seam between the bezel and the case, so it's a seamless, sharp, integrated look with everything loading through the case back. Screw down crown, 60-meter water resistance, so that is sufficient for surface swimming if you put it on a water-resistant strap. Screw down crown, Probus Scafusia, a good solid watch made in Schaffhausen, and indeed, IWC is based in Schaffhausen, the largest German-Swiss watchmaker. German-Swiss watchmaking's not unheard of, but it's uncommon. Most of the watchmaking in Switzerland takes place in the French-speaking northwestern quarter of the country, whereas IWC is up in the northeastern quarter. And you can see that the watch features a surprising amount of luminescence. A lot of folks might think that Ecru Lume doesn't have a lot of luminescent power, but it does. And as you can see here, the entire dial is lumed. That is not universal on IWC Pilot watches, so it makes it a little bit more practical. It's instrument style. The idea is that it looks like the instruments you might find on the flight deck of an analog 20th century aircraft. We have blued broadsword hands with counterweighted lancet-style seconds hand. There is a Mark 18, there is a Mark 20, there is no Mark 19. People often ask me about that. We have a stop seconds function. We have a quick set for the date. We have an IWC caliber 35111, which is based on the Sellita SW300, which in turn is based on the time-tested ETA 2892A2, which means bidirectional automatic winding, stop seconds, quick set, 4 hertz, 21, actually in this case 25 joules because it's the Sellita, 42-hour power reserve. So yeah, a 2892 is a 21 joule. The Sellita is slightly modified, but it's the same architecture. It's a 25 joule. So just keeping that story straight there. Protecting that 42-hour Sellita automatic is a case that's not just water resistant, it has a quirky and unusual feature, which is that if you are in an aircraft cabin that explosively decompresses, the crystal and the seals will not be blown out. So Your watch will be okay. You may not be, but your watch will be fine. And then there is a little anti-magnetic shield inside to protect the movement against moderate amounts of magnetic force. A lovely watch, and one that is core to the heritage of IWC. They say the two pillars of IWC are the pilot watches and the Portuguesers. And so if you want a core IWC in a rather unconventional and charming form, this IWC Pilot's Watch Mark 18 Heritage might be right up your alley. So reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.